Hey guys, this is Tiffany Parker. I want to take you into what a listing looks like on the Artisans Collective, and it's the exact same way on Click It to List. I will discuss that in another video. So right now, this is what the homepage looks like without being signed in. You have your sign in right here where you can also register as well. So you could search by category. So I have a lot of different categories right here, and over time I will add more as we grow. And then you can search by your city, and right now we have the ones that are pretty close to us. So Atascocita, Baytown, Cleveland, Conroe, Galveston. Well, Galveston's not really that close, but Huffman, Humboldt, Katy, Kingwood, New Caney, Pearland, Porter, Spring, the Woodlands, Uptown, and I can definitely add more. These are also links right here if you want to do a quick search. Most visited would be right here. So anytime a business is getting a lot of views, it'll pop up right here. So, and then you can also explore by location as well. So you don't necessarily have to use that first search bar up there. You can come down. You can search by category right here as well. These are the recent listings. So if somebody today decides to do a listing, it'll pop up here, and then it only shows 3 listings at a time. So the most recent ones will be listed here. Any events that are created by a business on their profile will show up here. And then this right here is just different links to different parts of the livable forest. So I want to show you what a full listing looks like. Days of the Diva and Craft Sisters, they have listings, but they didn't fill out every single aspect of the listing. But I'm going to show you what a listing looks like completely filled out with the information that I have. So right here, you can create your own gallery. Your gallery can be as many pictures as you want it to be. You people can submit a review on your listing. Here is your bio. You can let people know what services you offer. You can put in questions and answers. So I did this on this side, and then people can also, in your social media information, where you're located right here. People can email you through this site as well. And then here are all the events that you created. They will show up on your listing, so people can actually go to the event, and they can actually say that they're going. So let me show you what it looks like when you log in as a business. So first off, if you are not a member or you do not have an account, you can sign up, and then it's a really quick sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. So this is the admin bar, so you guys won't see this on your end when you sign in. But I want to go ahead and show you what the dashboard looks like. On the dashboard, this will tell you what your views are, what leads are, and customer reviews that are left on your account. So you can have announcements. You can actually create an announcement. You have events. You can create your own events. You can add an event right here and upload it, and it will show on the front page of the website, and on the front page of the website on the date that you have selected, and it will show up on your listing. You can do coupons. If you want to add a coupon, that's right here. If you have a menu, you can add a new menu here, a new menu listing. You can, and these will show, this right here will show all your active listings right now. Any messages anybody sent you through your listing will be right here. You can send invoices as well. Anything that you saved will show up here. Packages, ad campaigns right here. You can add a new ad campaign, and it's $1 a day. And this is just telling you where it will show up on another person's listing, and then you can view your reviews right here. So when you want to add a listing, it'll take you to the listing plans. So not sure why the pictures aren't showing up. I'll look into that, but right here, 60-day, 1 year. I mean, a $60 listing for 1 year is $60. And then it goes to 45, 30, 15, and $5. It just depends on what you're looking for. So you would you'll choose your plan. and then you will fill out everything. I mean, even on the listing with the livable floors that I showed you, I didn't fill out every single thing. You could put your hours, social media, the facts, your description, your keywords, any media, images, feature images, logo, and stuff like that. It's pretty detailed, and then you can claim your business as well. Um, yeah, that's it. And then you can turn this on, and it'll help you with the filling out of everything. So that's that. So update your profile. So you'll have a profile as well. So you could upload a picture. You could fill out this basic information as well. And let's go back to the main page. And then so this is what it is. It's a really great platform for businesses that are looking to be seen without having people like for the Artisans Collective. This is only a site. This listing site is literally only for artisan, handmade, artisanal foods and stuff like that, handmade makers. Because on regular listings, like if you go into Google and you search candle, it's going to pull up normally a big box or a well-known brand. It's not going to pull up your neighbor up the street, or somebody very small and local. Here, it'll pull up your neighbor up the street because that's who's listing on these sites. These are people that normally live in the neighborhood. They have a small business that they're working either out of a small shop or from their home, and those are the people that really need the most exposure. And so that's why I created the Artisans Collective, because I really wanted to highlight the small business, the small artisan, the small maker in their particular area of town. So that is all I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below on this video, or you can send me a DM and I will link this here. If you are an artisan, an artisan, and you want to list with us, we will be so grateful for you guys to use our platform. Like I said, you won't pay more than $60 a year for it. It is reoccurring as well. But if you're trying to put it, set it and forget it, the $60 is the best option for you.